Did you kiss my lips? I was there. Just like this, no one's ever been better. When you survive 2002, we were only 11.
Today good weather. Sorry, here so noisy. I cannot talk now.
Drinking from plastic cups, I remember forever and ever. When I guess that is true. Dancing on the hood in the middle of the woods of an old stand. Anyone like to say, "99 problems singing bye bye bye." If you wanna go and take a ride with me, better hit me, baby, one more time. Hey, put your ring on me on the days when we were young, singing at the top of our lungs. Now we're under the clouds. Fast forward to 18, we are more than lovers. You're winning and I'm winning, and we're holding each other. I'm taking back 2002. Dancing on the hood in the middle of the woods of another stand, where we sang songs with all our childhood friends. Anyone like this say, "Oops, I." 99 problems singing bye bye bye. If you wanna go and take a ride with me, better hit me, baby, one more time. Baby, put your feet with me on the days when we were young, singing at the top of our lungs on the day we fell in love. On the day we fell in love. Dancing in the woods in the middle of the woods of another stand, where we sang songs with all our
George now in the massage.
Easy, that's going to be here with you.
No, not now. But he said to take it. Next week, next month, because only now in your apartment. Thank you so much.
Enjoy this very much song. I'm requesting a song of Bridge of Victoria Walter.
Alright, once again, here's your request. It's here.
Feeling
That's right, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon to each and every one. Welcome here to Sports Hotel Zone, and as we'll be having the Swimsuit competition that we have later on.
Okay, okay. I chose to now in my input. You are about to see. Yeah. I know where you're using for. Oh. Let's now, we want to see now we wear a number. Now to go to where matas. To pay a matas. But I know you can the problem with it. It's gonna play more than you want. If you want, you can explain. Yeah.
Thanks everyone, ladies and gentlemen, we're listening to number one and look at that. Right here, the longest running swimsuit competition in Asia. Welcome to the men's scoreboards down. As we go out, we have a this kind of swimsuit competitions. This version is running forward at the Dollhouse Bar in cooperation with Global Nannies. And for this fight, ladies and gentlemen, this is the only criteria for judging. Making the more pins they get, the more chances of their winning. Pins are available for all colors and wearing red shirts while moving around the area. It only costs for 100 pesos for express beads and 5,000 pesos for the golden beads. You heard that right, gentlemen. Spot it on your naked eye and choose your favorite candidate. All you need to do is buy them some beads.
You start already.
And we got a name for the ladies and gentlemen. Let's all welcome the 12 candidates for the Scoreboards Swimsuit Competitions Rematch. Choose your bed. Invite us to Beads from all the girls that very red shirt to the man. Small walls, the man competing for cash. Small people ladies from all the industry. Of course, only here, actually number one. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. How are you? Round of us for our 12 candidates for the scores of the Swimsuit competition. There are tonight, gentlemen, really having a chance to win them one by one. As they're going to give you the perfect catwalk modeling. Once again, gentlemen, this is the only criteria for judging of this competition. Swim, the more views you can get, better chances of their winning. You can buy your piece for all girls that wearing red shirts that roaming around the area. It only costs for you for 100 pesos per shot to Beads and 5,000 pesos for the golden Beads. Ladies and gentlemen, hold a weekend from the Ballad Dennis All-Star. And as I promised, ladies and gentlemen, it's about time right now. You see that one by one from the Finalist and Swimsuit. Bikini Swimsuit outfit right now. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is the only criteria for judging for this competition. Meaning the more beads you get, the more chances of the winning. So you can buy now your beads for all the girls that wearing red shirts that roaming around the area. It only costs for you for 100 pesos per strands of beads and 5,000 pesos for the gold beads. And now, ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, it's showtime! First of all, ladies and gentlemen, she comes to us from the big land of Mega Manila with a band of 36 of 36, 25, and 35. 5'5" in height, tall and 19 years of age. We call number 583 from Global Lettuce, you know, for Miss Eliza Escora.
'Cause I wanna be with you, 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 'cause I wanna be with you
Yo, once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is the only criteria for judging for the swimsuit combination, meaning the more pieces they get, the more chances of the winning. Now, thank you so much once again, ladies and gentlemen. Contestant number 1, Miss Eliza Esgora from Finalist. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 2. She comes to us from the land of Bayog with a vital statistics of 32, 23, and 35. For an in height, gentlemen, 29 years of age. From Lollipop Bar, give it up for Miss Carmina de la Cruz. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's peace time. Thank you so much once again, ladies and gentlemen. Contestant number 2, Miss Carmina de la Cruz. Now here comes our contestant number 3, representing from the land of Bataan with a vital statistics of 34, 25, and 34. 5'1" in height, gentleman, 26 years of age, with a code number of D389, representing Dollhouse Bar. Contestant number 3, Shakira and Riha. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is the only criteria for judging of this swimsuit combinations, meaning the more beads they get, the more chances of them winning. You can buy your beads from all the girls that are wearing red shirts, that roaming around the area, gentlemen. It only costs for you for 100 pesos per extra of beads and 5,000 pesos for the golden beads. Thank you so much, candidate number 3, Shakira and Riha. Moving on to our contestant number 4, gentlemen. She comes to us from the white beaches of Subic Bay with a vital statistics of 32, 25, and 34. 5'1" in height, gentlemen, 27 years of age, with a goal number 132, representing Global Finalist. Put your hands together for Miss Lynn. time. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's Bead's time. Meron pa isa. Thank you so much once again, contestant number 4, Ms. Leah Sikad. Moving on to our contestant number 5. She comes to us from the land of Butuan City with a final statistics of 34, 25, and 35. 5'1" in height, tall, and 23 years of age. Please welcome contestant number 5, Shermaine Yoss. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's Bead's time. Once again, gentlemen, Bead is the only criteria for judging for the swimsuit competition. Making the more beads they get, the more chances of their winning. Beads are available from all the girls that wearing red shirts that roaming around the area. Sige, huwag kayo. Okay, solo. Thank you so much once again, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 5, Shermaine Yoss. Moving on to our next contestant, gentlemen. Also, she comes to us from Subic Bay with a final statistics of 36, 27, and 37. 5'7" in height, tall, and 22 years of age, with a gold number D163, representing the House Bar. Give it up for Miss Mia. Give it out. proud city of Angeles. Winner by the city 6 of 34, 25, and 35. 5 doing high gentlemen, 25 years of age. With a goal number 789 from Global Gladys. Put your hands together for Miss Jan Kata.
Will touch your heart. Yeah, I know what it feels like. You walk, not wearing yours. I can tell 'cause I've been there in time. Oh, you
Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's Bead's time. Once again, gentlemen, Beads are the only criteria for judging for the swimsuit combinations. So meaning the more beads that they get, the more chances of the winning. So buy your beads now and give it to your favorite candidates for this corporate hotel swimsuit combinations. It's a regular beads, gentlemen. Thank you so much once again, contestant number 7, John Kata. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 8, representing from the big land of Mega Manila, with a minus 36 of 32, 25, and 34. 416 high, gentlemen, 22 years of age. Number D443, representing the house bar, please welcome in Charlotte Hagonoy.
This is the start of something new. Call it home, this is freedom. No one inside, brand new tune. No horizon, we know time won't heal nothing. It's just something you say when you don't know where to begin. When it all falls to pieces, we light our souls like fire and burn together. And then we fall, we know we fall together. Feel your heartbeat rising in
Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's Bead's time. Thank you so much once again, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 8, Miss Charlotte Hagonoy. Moving on to our next candidate, gentlemen, candidate number 9, with a minus 76 of 32, 24, and 32. Caroline high, gentlemen, 22 years of age. Put your hands together for Miss Juliet Everano. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's speech time. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, these are available from movers that wearing red shirts that roaming around the area. It only goes for you for 100 pesos first one to beat, and 5,000 pesos for the golden beads. This is the only criteria for this swimsuit combination, gentlemen, meaning the more beads they get, the more chances of their winning. Thank you so much once again. That was contestant number 9, Miss Julia Neverendo. Moving on to our next contestant, gentlemen, contestant number 10. She comes to us from the land of Leighton with a final statistics of 34, 26, and 34. By winning high jump at 26 years of age with a gold number D630 from the House Bar. Please welcome Miss Easy Barreto. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's Bead's time! Thank you so much once again, ladies and gentlemen. That was contestant number 10, Miss Easy Barreto from the House Bar. Moving on to our next contestant, gentlemen. Contestant number 11, representing from the culinary capital of the Philippines, I'm talking about Angeles City, with a vital statistics of 34, 28, and 34. 5'2" in height, gentlemen, fresh 20 years of age. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss Anna Marie Villoso. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's Bead's time. Thank you so much once again, ladies and gentlemen. That was contestant number 11, Miss Anne-Marie Villosa. And as we see for the last moment, she comes to us from the capital city of the Philippines, South Florida, Metro Manila, with a balance statistics of 32, 25, and 24, 5.5 to 25 years of age, with a gold number of D475, representing the house bar. Give it up for Miss Sharina Morgan. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's peace time. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, peace is the only criteria for judging. For this swimsuit combination of spinning, the more beads that they get, the more chances of them winning. You can buy your beads from all the girls that wearing red shirts that roaming around the area. It only costs for you for 100 pesos per strand of beads and 5,000 pesos for the golden beads. So that more beads on there. And the number 8, number 8. Thanks everyone, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon to each and every one, and welcome here at the longest running swimsuit competition here in Asia. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, at the Silver Hotel. And for this part of the show, gentlemen, it's going to be your chance to meet and greet for all the bucks ladies right now on stage. There's a chance for might be to win her heart, gentlemen. All we need to do is buy them some ladies' drinks. Heard that right, gentlemen? You can have a chance to meet and greet for those all the girls that are having with me right now. All you need to do is just raise your hands if you want to buy them some ladies' drinks. As I have it right now, contestant number 1, she comes to us from Mega Manila. Gentlemen, a fresh 19 years of age, from Global Lenses, I've got here Miss Eliza. Anyone from here who wants to buy some ladies' drinks for Miss Eliza, please raise your hands. One over from there. How about that? How many over there? How many ladies' drinks? I did. So, is there anyone who wants to buy ladies' drinks? Only once? Twice? I think we got a winner upstairs for ladies' drinks for Miss Eliza. And of course, someone I've got here from Bataan City, 34 years of age, 26 years of age. We'll buy the statistic for 34, 25, and 34. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Shakira is available for ladies' drinks. Anyone from here wants to buy some ladies' drinks for Miss Shakira, please raise your hands. So this is going to be your chance. Alright, we got an over from there. Our over. Are you offering for ladies' drinks, sir? 1 ladies' drinks. 2 ladies' drinks. How many over? We got. No, okay. Oh, we got there. Second floor. So Mr. Chris. ladies' drinks? Anyone wants to buy some ladies' drinks from Miss Leo? Please raise your hands. 2 ladies' drinks over downstairs. Anyone, any more wants to buy some ladies' drinks? Please raise your hands. Only once. Only twice. This is gonna be your lucky picture. Alright, we're gonna proceed now to that good looking gentleman on the first floor in the right corner. And of course, gentlemen, I got here from Subic Bay as well, a fresh 22 years of age. Gentlemen, Miss Mia. Anyone who wants to buy some ladies' drinks for Miss Mia, please raise your hands. That's it. Alright, we got it over in here, 2 ladies' drinks. Anyone over? Only once? Twice? Again, we got a winner. Yes, remember sitting on the left corner of this area. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, it's gonna be your time. You don't need to be lonely. You can have a chance to meet and greet this ladies beside me. All you need to do, hey, yes, Miss Job is available for ladies' drinks. 1 over downstairs. Is there anyone who wants to buy some ladies' drinks for Miss Job? How many? 5 ladies' drinks over for this good-looking gentleman of 5 ladies' drinks. Hey, what? Hey, there. Wow. Any more? 5 ladies' drinks over from this corner. Any more higher than 5 ladies' drinks? Yes, gentlemen, John is single and available. How many? 7 ladies' drinks. We got an over for 8 ladies' drinks over there. 10 ladies' drinks. 10 ladies' drinks over. And how many? 15 ladies' drinks. We've got 15. Is there higher than 15? Alright? 21s? 22s? 15 ladies' drinks higher? Alright, I think she give up. We got a winner. 15 ladies' drinks on downstairs. Alright. We still have a lot of girls in here, gentlemen. I've got here, wow, a fresh 22 years of age from Metro Manila, gentlemen. Never been kissed, never been touched. But totally amazing. Anyone who wants to buy some ladies' drinks for me, sure or not, please raise your hands. And over from there. Any more? We got it over. How many over that you can get, sir? 5 ladies' drinks. 5 ladies' drinks over from there. How many ladies' drinks? We got 5 over in here. 6. Alright, we got a 6 over from there. 6 ladies' drinks over. 7 ladies' drinks. Okay. 7 ladies' drinks. Get away from that corner. You're going to see today. Thank you so much. Anyway, guys, we have 2 more good-looking young ladies. And we've got here, gentlemen, she comes to us from Leyte, 26 years of age. Miss Casey is available for ladies' drinks. Anyone wants to buy some ladies' drinks for Miss Casey, please raise your Congratulations, guys. And of course, last but not least, contestant number 12 from Metro Manila, 25 years of age, Miss Shaina Morayan. Is there anyone who wants to raise the ladies' rings for these lovely ladies? Please raise your hands. Is there anyone, gentlemen, who wants to raise some ladies' rings for this girl? Please raise your hands. Ladies available for ladies' rings, gentlemen, all you need to do is just raise your hands. Signal it available, gentlemen, might as well. It's going to be a chance for you to win your heart as well. From Metro Manila. Another from here. I think we've got a winner. There you have it. Thank you so much once again, ladies and gentlemen. We'll be back for more later on tonight. So please stick around.
Hello. Yes, so the band was set. Let's give the afternoon to everybody while we have a score right now. We are the Synergy. Alright, let's give us something else. Finalist those games. Don't give up when you're together. Look in my heart and let love keep us together. That was our last number for this set. Please stand by for our guest singer on our third set. Thank you. Thank you.
Candidates, be ready. Candidates, be ready. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon to each and every one. And welcome back right here at the longest running swimsuit competition here in Asia. Welcome to Scoreboard Down, gentlemen. And for this program, gentlemen, we'll be having the final call for our beads, gentlemen. This is gonna be the last chance for you to buy your beads and give it to your favorite candidates to help them to go to the next round. We're bringing out the top finalists of this Scoreboard Down swimsuit competitions. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, all you need to do is buy some beads from all the girls that wearing red shirts that roaming around the area. It only costs for you for 100 pesos per strands of beads and 5,000 pesos for the golden beads. And without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, once again, how about a huge round of applause and taking it one more time. Our 12 candidates for the Scoreboard Down swimsuit competitions. chance to help a girl to proceed to our next round. All you need to do is buy those bids. This is going to be the final call for this round, gentlemen. As we go on once again for our contestant number 1 from Mega Manila, representing Global Lettuce, let's dance for peace for Miss Eliza Escora. Once again, gentlemen, this is going to be your last chance to help your favorite candidates to proceed to our next round as we go to have our last and final bids called for this round. And more bids for our contestant number 1 is Eliza. Thank you so much, lady number 1, Eliza Escora. Moving on to our next candidate number 2 from the Ballad City. Representing Lodi Bompar, let's dance for bids for Miss Carmina de la Cruz. Once again, gentlemen, bids is the only criteria for judging for these nominations. Maybe the more bids they get, the more chances of their winning. Thank you so much once again, candidate number 2, Carmina de la Cruz. And we got here, gentlemen, from Ballad City, representing Dollhouse Bar, let's dance for beats for Miss Shakira and Riha. Beats segment are available for all girls that wearing red shirts that roaming around the area. It only costs only for 100 pesos per Swimsuit beats and 5,000 pesos for the clothing beats. And more beats for Miss Shakira. Thank you so much once again, Miss Shakira and Riho from Ballad City and Dollhouse Bar. And it's our ladies and gentlemen, last dance for bids for candidate number 4 from Subic Bay, Miss Leia Siga from Global Lettuce. Once again, gentlemen, bids is the only criteria for judging for this swimsuit competition. Meaning the more bids they get, the more chances of their winning. Thank you so much, Ms. Leia. And moving on to our contestant number 5 from Ballad City, a freelancer, candidate number 5, Ms. Sherry May Diaz. So any more beats, man? Thank you so much once again. Dollhouse Bar. Let's dance for Beads for Miss Bead. Give it out. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, this is gonna be your next chance to help our girl. All you need to do is buy them some beads. This beads is the only criteria for judging for this competitions. Make the more beads that you get, the more chances of you winning. Thank you so much once again, contestant number 6, Miss Mia. Hold on, gentlemen. What the? And the golden bees. Give it to the room. Balikan niya na lang. Balikan niya. Tingin mo ulit. That was a good shot. A golden bees. Give it to candidate number 6, Miss Mia. Give out. That was a good shot. Alright, moving on to our contestant number 7. Last dance for Beads for Miss Jen Gata. Once again, gentlemen, this is going to be your next dance to help the girl proceed to our next round. The more beads that they get, the more chances of their winning. Beads that are available for rollers that wearing red shirts that roaming around the area. It only costs for 100 beads for first round of beads and 5,000 beads for the full beads. Is there any more beads? Thank you so much. Is there any more beads, gentlemen? Thank you so much once again, Jen Gata from contestants. Moving on to our contestant number 8. Let's dance for beads for Miss Charlotte Gogoy. Is there any more beads, gentlemen? Once again, beads are available for all those that roaming around the area or wearing red shirts. It's only for 100 pesos for such beads and 5,000 pesos for the golden beads. Thank you so much once again, contestant number 8, Charlotte Gogoy. Moving on to our next contestant number 9, our freelance model. Let's dance for beads for Miss Juliet Ebrano. Representing Dollhouse Bar, let's dance for beads for Miss Easy Barreto. It's really serious bids right now. Ladies and gentlemen, Beads is the only criteria for judging for this swimsuit competitions. Many the more beads you can get, the more chances of your winning. Is there any more beads out there? Well, thank you so much for us. Contestant number 10, Easy Forever. Now moving on to our contestant number 11, our freelance model from Atlantic City. Let's dance for beads for Kennedy number 11, Miss Anna Marie Villasa. Thank you so much for once again, Kennedy number 11, Miss Anna Marie Villasa. As we see from the last gentleman, Kennedy number 12, representing Dollhouse Bar. Let's dance for Bead for Miss Shayna Morgan. Thank you so much, Kennedy number 12, Shayna Morgan. Is there any more beats, gentlemen? And as I mentioned, this is going to be the last chance for you to buy your beats and give it to your favorite candidates, gentlemen. As we all know, this is going to be the final call for our beats. Gentlemen, once again, beats is the only criteria for judging for this swimsuit competitions, meaning the more beats you can get, the more chances of them winning. Beats are available for all the girls that are wearing red shirts. They're roaming around the area. It only costs for 100 pesos per chance of beats and 5,000 pesos for the golden beats. Once again, people of scoreboards, let's go for beats in 10. Gentlemen, let's go for beats in 9. This is gonna be your last chance, gentlemen. Let's go for beats in 8. Is there any more beats, gentlemen? We'll be closing our counting. Let's go for beats in 7. Is there any more beats? Gentlemen, let's dance for beats in 6. Beats are available, gentlemen, for all the girls that are wearing red shirts that are roaming around the area. Ayan ang magpapanalo. a bunch of beats given to the number 8. Candidate number 7. It's going to be a bunch of beats for candidate number 7. Is there any more beats, gentlemen? Is there any more beats? As I give you the very last chance, gentlemen, this is going to be the last chance to have a go. Last chance for beats in 10. Last chance for beats in 9. Last chance for beats in 8. Last chance for beats in 7. Last chance for beats in 6. Is there any more beats? Once again, gentlemen, beats is the only criteria for judging grades. Make the more beats than that, the more chances of go winning. And a bunch of beats given to what number? A bunch of beats given to contestant number 10, Miss Casey Beretta. Is there any more beats, gentlemen? Another bunch of beats given to candidate number 10. Once again for Miss Casey Beretta. Gentlemen, I'm giving you the last chance to hold the word. Is there any more beats?
Because you know I'm on the bikini.
As your common beats are available for all viewers at Morgan Red Shirts. Last chance for beats in 5. Is there any more beats? Last chance for beats in 4. Is there any more beats, gentlemen? This is going to be your last chance. Say that this is last time. Is there any more beats? Any more beats, gentlemen? Last chance for beats in 4. Last chance for beats in 3. Ini sekasi apa ya? Tinggalkan mo yan, tinggalkan mo. Tinggalkan mo yan. Any more beats, gentlemen? Is there any more beats? This is going to be your last chance to hold the word. Proceed to the next round. Last chance for beats in 3. are every more bids. Again, this is gonna be my last countdown for you guys. But remember to win the ground, last chance for bids in 10. Last chance for bids in 9. Last chance for bids in 8. Last chance for bids in 7. Right, beats now, gentlemen, as I give you the very last chance for beats in 5. Last chance for beats in 4. Let go here, come here. One number 7. There you go. Alright, that's number 7. Last chance for beats in 4. Is there any more beats? Last chance for beats in 3. Last chance for beats and golden beats. That was working right now. Give it and award it to the contestant number 7. Whoa! Another golden beats. Contestant number 7 is down. How many beats together? Ilan yan? Tatlo. 3 for number 7, 2 for number 10. And then 1 for number 6. So it's going to be 2 for number 10, 3 for number 7, and 2 for number 6. Is there any more bids, 7? Is there any more bids? Come on, gentlemen. This is going to be your last chance for me dito sa taas ay
set my heart on fire. Set my heart on fire. And now I'm so in love with
Ballad! Mr. Eddie, wow! Like to go, Mr. Eddie. Wow. Ready to sing. Are you going to sing? Okay. Once again, if you have any requested song, just need to tell us, guys.
Also have the singer for this afternoon. Sir Eddie.
Got it? Salud.
time. Estoy cansado de pensarte, de el pecho roto. Y no le das dando tus rotos. Yo no miras. Dije que te olvidé, pero nunca vino mirado. Dije que tengo su superé, pero nunca vino mirado. Dime cómo vive cada vive.
Pose for your phone.
Candidates, be ready. Candidates. Candidates, be ready. Right here, the longest running swimsuit competition here in Asia. Welcome to the Scorpers Hotel. And it's about time, ladies and gentlemen, for us to pick up the top finalists to proceed to our next round. We'll be picking up 6 finalists. Of course, those girls that they get more bids. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, how about a huge round of applause for our 12 candidates for the Scorpers Hotel Swimsuit Competition. Congratulations, contestant number 12, Shane Morgan from Tallying. Moving on to our next top finalist to get the second sweet spot with a total bids of 252 bids, representing the House Bar, candidate number 8, Chardonnay Hagonoy. Moving on, gentlemen, to get the third spot for our top 6 finalists with a total bids of 324 bids. Congratulations, candidate number, our freelancer, candidate number 5, Jeremy Guyas. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, to get the lucky 4th squad with a total bids of 680 bids. Representing from the House Bar, congratulations, candidate number 6, Miss Bead. And moving on to our top 5 finalists to get the swing 5th spin. With a total bids of 618 bids, having 1,536 beats. Representing from the House Bar, contestant number 10, Casey Barreto. And of course, going together for the first one with a top beats of 1,636 beats is none other than from Finalist, contestant number 7, Joe Gata. Congratulations, candidates! Now we'll be having for our next round, bound gentlemen, again. We'll be having another show here. Of course, for this one, we're going to choose our top 3 finalists. And let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Personal 6, contestant number 5. She comes from a small boots of one city with a Bible statistics of 44, 24, and 35. 6'1" high, tall man, 23 years of age, a freelancer. Once again, contestant number 5, Sherry Guyos. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's beat time. That's right, once again, ladies and gentlemen, for this round still, Beats is the only criteria for judging. Make the more beats you get, the more chances of third rate. So for your beats now, we'll give it to your favorite top 6 finalists as we start over to our contestant number 5, Jeremy Guyos. Is it right or beats, gentlemen? Thank you so much once again. Contestant number 5, Jeremy Guyos. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, to our contestant number 6. She comes from us from the beautiful land of Swimsuit with a So buy your beats now and give us your favorite top 6 finalists as we chose it later on for our top 3 finalists or the grand winner. Together with the grand winner, right? Thank you so much once again, Miss Jeff Anna, representing the athletics. And moving on, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 8. She comes to us from the big land of Mega Manila, with a statistics of 32, 25, and 34. 4'6" in height, tall, and 22 years of age, with a gold number D443 from Dollhouse Bar, contestant number 8, Miss Charlotte Fagoy. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's Bead time! Thank you so much once again, contestant number 8, Miss Charlotte Fagoy, representing the House War. And moving on, ladies and gentlemen, we come to our contestant number 10, representing from the native, with a minus statistics of 34, 26, and 34. 5'1" in height, tall, and 26 years of age, with a gold number of B630, representing Dollhouse Bar, contestant number 10, Miss Stacy Ballad. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's Bead time! That's our momentum release, Golden Beads, awarded to candidate number 8, Charlotte Fagoy. And as I can see right now, a Golden Beads going right on stage. That's going to be from contestant number 10, Miss Stacy Barretta. Wow! Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Beads is the only criteria for judging. For this combination winning, the more beats you get, the more chances of good winning. So buy your beats now and give it to your favorite candidates for this professional swimsuit competition. Please so much, Miss Stacy Barretta. And moving on to our last finalist, representing Oichi Hills from Manila, with a minus statistics of 32, 25, and 34. 5'1" in height, tall, and 25 years of age, with a gold number D475 from Dollhouse Bar, New York for Miss Julia Oregon. competition. You can buy your beats from all girls that wearing red shirts that roaming around the area. It only costs 100 pesos for strands of beats and 5,000 pesos for the golden beads. Thank you so much, Kendra. Pinipining ikatlong lahi ng Aqua. Thank you so much for listening. Contestant number 12, China. Please are ready for beats number. Once again, gentlemen, for this time around, we'll be choosing our top 3 finalists together with the grand winner. Top winner, gentlemen, competing for the catch. And beats is the only criteria for judging of this competition. Winning the more beats they can, the more chances of their winning. This is going to be your last chance, gentlemen, to buy your beats and give it to your favorite candidates. Once again, thank you so much for having with us right now. Mark on your calendar every third Sunday of 1, where we'll be having the longest running swimsuit competition here in Asia, only here at Swimsuit. This version is running for by Ballad in collaboration with Global Finalist. Ballad opens from 6 p.m. till 2 a.m. where they'll be having the Internet TV show, Brazilian Carnival show, and a Black Tech Project modeling show. While at Global Finalist 7, they are also open every day from 6 p.m. till 2 a.m. where they'll be having the Black Tech Project modeling show, one big modeling show, cultural dance show, and a pro dance show. We'll find an exciting right there, gentlemen, to go over everything. And it's about time, gentlemen, for giving you the next chance. Wow, with a brilliant gentlemen, given a bunch of beats for candidate number 6, please be in the bow. And now, gentlemen, next chance for beats in 10. Gentlemen, next chance for beats in 9. And the golden beats. See how ya. That's going to be a relative candidate number 7. Jump bottom. There you have it right now, gentlemen, as you can see it. We have 1 golden beats for candidate number 6, 1 to number 7, 1 to number 8, and 1 to number 10. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, beats is the only criteria for judging for this swimsuit competition. And this is going to be your final chance, gentlemen, to buy your beats and give it to your favorite candidates. Once again, last chance for beats in 9. Last chance for beats in 8. Last chance for beats in 7. And another beats in 2. Another down, contestant number 6. Wow! Hey. And a bunch of beats that will be given to contestant. As I can see the sign, contestant number 10, Miss Stacy Barretta. Once again, gentlemen, this is going to be the last chance for you to hold the world to win the crown. Last chance for beats, gentlemen. In 10. Last chance for beats in 9. And others for also beats, give it to Miss Bead. And a lot of beats are honored for contestant number 10 as well. It's going to be a neck-to-neck battle, gentlemen. So hold on to your seat. As we all know, beats is the only criteria for judging. And your beats Is there any more beats? Let's dance for beats in 7. Let's dance for beats in 6. Let's dance for beats in 5. Hold up, hold up. It's a golden, wow. Another golden beat started off with a little ball. And that's going to be for everything. Number 7. Wow. And another golden beat. That's going to be trending number 6. Wow. Let's turn on 11 beats, number 6. How about 4 golden beats for number 6, for number 7? How many golden beats? 2, right? And 1 for number 8, and 1 for number 10. There you go. A lot of special beats right now. Tatlo na. Okay, 3 golden beats for number 7. Number 6. Sorry. 3 golden beats for number 6 and 2 golden beats for number 7. 1 for number 8 and 1 for number 10. That's some bronze beats right now. Is there any more beats? This is going to be an exciting part, gentlemen. It's a neck-to-neck battle right now. As I give you the last dance, the very last dance. Last dance for beats in 10. Last dance for beats in 9. Last dance for beats in 8. Last dance for beats 7. 6. 5. 4. Gentlemen, next time your last dance. 3. Is there any more beats? 2. Another golden beats. Awarded to contestant number 6, Bead, you know, from House Bar. Wow. Is there any more beats, gentlemen? Is there any more beats? Is there any more beats? Is that giving you the very last dance? The very, very last dance. I'm giving you this last final warning, gentlemen. Last dance for beats. In 10. Say bye to 10, guys. I think we still have more beats. 9. 8. I'm giving you your last dance, gentlemen. 7. Wow, it's going to be neck-to-neck battle coming for the second round. We don't know who's going to be the top winner or the winner for the swimsuit competition. How many golden beads for Tamsa? Candidate number 6. Again. How many for candidate number 6? A 4 golden beads. How about candidate number 7? A tie for 4 golden beads as well. 1 for number 8. 1 for number 10. That's a bunch of beads. Is there any more beads coming? Is there any more beads? Is there any more beads? I'm giving you the last one, gentlemen. There you go, another golden beads. You have candidate number 6 from the host bar, Bead. It's going to be a neck-to-neck battle, gentlemen. Scoreboards is out. Hold on to your seats. As we give you the very last chance. Last chance for beats in 5. Last chance for beats in 4. Is there any more beats? Last chance for beats in 3. Gentlemen, is there any more beats? There you go. Scoreboards is out. Hold on to your seat. Let's go to a neck-to-neck battle. Again, our contestants are every third Sunday of the month. We will be having this kind of fabulous and exciting swimsuit competition, the longest running swimsuit competition here in Asia. Of course, never than only hit the heart of Metro into the city. Scoreboards is out. A bunch of beads awarded to contestant number 10, Miss Stacy Beretta. Is there any more beads in 5? 4. There you go, another beads. And it's going to be a bid for contestant number 7. Is there another beads for contestant number 6? It's going to be a neck-to-neck battle, gentlemen. There's no other than another, not just once, but once and 2 golden beads. Awarding the neck to contestant number 7. Let's see. Is there any more beads? Is there any more beads in 5? This is going to be a good fight. 4. Once again, it's going to be your next chance, gentlemen. 4. 3. How many times on the mix for candidate number 6? We're running. Again. 6 golden beads for candidate number 6. Candidate number 7. 7. Wow. It's going to be like 7. For contestant number 7, 1 for number 8, and 1 for number 10. Let's do this in Tipu. Moving up to the ball, gentlemen. Last chance for beads. Is there any more beads? The very last line I'm giving you. Because it's going to be a count 7. Of course, we needed to have a winner. Last chance for wins in 5, 4, 3, 2, Wow, let's see how many more are going to mix. But we can Ballad. 12. Ilan? 13. 13 for candidate number 6. Ilan? Ilan? 15. 15 for all the golden beads for candidate number 6. Candidate number 7. 13 total of golden beads. 13 total of golden beads for number 7. Is there any more beads? Kung wala na, pamiliki sa my coach. Is there any more? Once again, next time with the last dance. Last dance for beads in 5, 4. It's going to be 15. All right, going to 15 and 13 from the other candidate, number 7. Last dance for beads in 4. Last dance for beads in 3. Last dance for beads in 2. Come on! Last dance for beads in 2. And another golden beads. Another golden beads. So that's the one to be for sure. Another golden beads. All right. There you go. Another golden beads. For candidate number 6 at the 17. If I'm not mistaken. 17 for the number 6 and 15. Right? Another! That is one! Stop, It's going to be a good fight. It's really goes and beats right now in the building. I like that dancer, come on. You best to be pretty hard. That's right, that's right. We're going to let Let's see, how many golden beads in the fair? Let's go, stars! That's it. How many golden beads? 17. 17 for candidate number 6. Number 6. 20 for candidate number 7. 20 for candidate number 7. Last one for candidate number 6. That's going to be 18. 19. 20. 21 golden beads for candidate number 6. Is this for real? If you're asking, is this for real? Yes, it's real. Of course, only happening here in the longest running swimsuit competition done on the government. Score personnel to number 1. Is there any more beads? Is there any more beads? So we got 21. 21 total for number 6 and 20 for number 7. Ubusan. Another one. Another one. Bring it on. Make this work. Come on, gentlemen. Watch this Let's go, baby! The spotlight is yours. Step, step. That's right now. Take it like baby. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Next time for Beats is free. Dirty goes to Beats for candidate number 7. For candidate number 6. 29 here. 13 here. Next time for Beats. 30 and 29.
wishing upon the best we could never fall. I look to you as a friend, and now you're in my way. I trade myself for a wish, pennies and dimes for a kiss. I wasn't looking for this, but now you're in my way. Your style is old, ripped jeans, skin show. I could not agree with you. Where do you think you're going, baby? Hey, I expect you, and this is crazy. But here's the number, so call me, baby. It's time to look right at you, baby. And here's the number, so call me, baby. Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy. But here's the number, so call me, baby. And on the other May we call on, rather, we'd like to call on contestant number 7 and 5. Ay, 6 na lang. 6, 7. Let's call on our 6, 7 finalists. Please come up on stage now. For the announcement, our country. All 6
This way, there's so much we can't explain. Maybe we're helping each other escape. I'm with you. Who knows the secret tomorrow? Need to know. It's a real bit now, don't want you to go. It's a real bit now, don't want you to go. Maybe we're both strangers. Maybe it's not forever. Maybe nothing changes. Maybe we'll stay together. Maybe we'll walk away. Ladies, you realize we're on a human. Maybe we don't need no reason. Maybe we're perfect strangers. Maybe it's not forever. Maybe nothing changes. Maybe we'll stay together. Maybe we'll walk away. Maybe we'll realize we're on a human. Maybe we don't need no reason why. Come on, come on, come on. Maybe we don't need no reason why. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Yes, maybe call on our finalists.
Come on, ladies.
Yes, on stage, please.
On stage, ladies.
Yes, on stage, please. All the ladies.
All the ladies, please. The 6 ladies. May we call on all the 6 ladies to please come up on stage. We're going to be announcing the winners. sash. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be announcing the winners for this month. May we call on our almost 6 ladies, come on. Wala na, naubos na sila. Alright, our third place winner with 2,652 beads. We have Casey Barreto. Congratulations, our third place winner. How about a big hand? Our second place winner with 10,810 beads. Ladies and gentlemen, our second place winner is Miss Mia Hibao. Yes, and our first place winner is kunti lang. With 10,810 beads, we have John Katap. Congratulations! Konti lang ang differential. Congratulations to all winners. Good night, everybody, and God bless. See you again next month. Once again, we are the Synergy. Good night, everybody.
Already finished. Thank you for watching and see you next month in this hotel. But I will continue live stream in the walking street, maybe another part. Okay, thank you for watching, guys.